Okay guys, the answer is finally here on how to get wrinkles out of your vinyl tablecloth. And who do we have to thank for this? YouTube user Love Live. The answer was right before our eyes. Yes, you do not want to iron from the front. Set it to the lowest setting and iron from the back. How simple is that? Okay, let's do it. So yes, there are YouTube videos showing to iron from the front and to hold it off the surface above it. That does not work. Believe me, I tried it. Yeah, you don't want to do that. Okay, so what you're going to do is turn it over to the soft side. I'm just going to stick a piece of cardboard underneath to protect my table. So let's just try a small area. Now I'm starting with low heat setting just to make sure I don't burn anything. I can always make it warmer. It's working! This is so easy. So much easier than the method where you stick it in the dryer. My tablecloth came out wrinklier doing the dryer method, where you put it in the dryer with damp towels. Now I just used this iron on another project with crayons, so if you see little black specks, that might be why. It's perfect. It is absolutely perfect and smooth, guys. Please leave a comment below to thank Love Live. She is amazing. I don't know about you, but I love her. Yay! Thank you, Liv. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate. Stay tuned for more great tips and tricks.